Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can buy USDT in AscendEX. So let's get straight into it. We have some options right here. So if we go up here to buy crypto, and then we have on-chain deposit crypto from your own wallet via blockchain networks. Then we have swap, the easiest way to convert between cryptocurrencies, buy with Visa, MasterCard, and P2P trading. So buy and sell crypto for fiat directly with verified merchants. So in my wallet, I have now one asset. So if I want to get to USDT, I can click on swap. And right here, I can now select asset for USDT right here. And I set max amount, and after that continue swapping, and you will swap your assets. Now also you can buy, so you can buy with your currencies if you are using USDT, Euro, GBP, and so on. Now I want to buy, you will set here USDT, and then you have payment options, so pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa, MasterCard, SEPA, and you will get USD assets in your account. Also, you can earn USDT, so you can earn right here, and but also you will need some USDT here that you can start earning. So before you need to swap or buy USDT. And yeah, this is basically the fastest way to get to USDT. So as you can see here, example how we can set up everything, select a service provider right here, and then your payment method, and you will get it to the USDT. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next